Yeah, people normally just use the style to do it. Some they start from this to this. Okay, so I'm gonna show you a different way how to do it, dodge and bend, and it's very easy. Know how to do it, and everything I'm gonna show you right now, just pay attention and listen to me well, and get to it. By the way, I'm awake. Subscribe to my page, and she'll feel me. Okay, so this is the image, right? So only thing I'm gonna do is that I'm going to duplicate this image. Ctrl J. Okay, Ctrl J, like this. Okay, and first thing we're gonna do is that I'm gonna go to vanity side and just making it more, not much here. So I'm gonna add more to this side and side, and this around here and here. I'll show you how to cover all those stuffs. Okay, so all the thing we gotta do is that we need to create a new layer and change this color to white. Okay, and reduce this opacity. Okay, let's make it 59 and move to the brush tool. Okay, so this is the brush tool we're going to use to just do the dodge and bend. Hit caps lock. Okay, and we'll change this normal to soft light. Okay, then we just increase it a little bit. This one. Sorry, and just hit and just hit the side. Okay, and here too. So let's check it before and after. Okay, so this is how you're gonna do it. I'll reduce it, but I need to complete this one first before that. So let's just reduce this one and increase inside around this one. Okay, then we turn to overlay. Okay, to get it well. So let's check before and after. You start from soft, and then you use this one to check overlay to check how it just look like, or you can just make it cool. You can just leave it like this and just work on it. You can use it to brighten it too. Okay, so let's check before and after. Okay, so let's check before and after. So cool, I love it. And you can use to just brighten the eye to get it. Okay, and we just move to so this is the white one, so just change everything. Okay, and I'm going to create another layer again. Okay, this layer again, and change this color to black color. just increase it. You can start from soft, then when you are done with it and move to overlay, but let's start from here. Okay, shall we seen it? Let's take this one down like this. Okay, and here this side. No stressful. Cool. I really love this techniques. It's very powerful. So let's check it before and after. Okay. And just reduce it and step this side. Before and after. And I'm going to reduce this side. Okay. Before and after. And increase this one. Let's start stepping this side. Okay, so let me just run this one. Okay, so all the thing we're gonna do is that I'm going to hit Control plus B. Okay, and change this one. Okay, to the skin. It's supposed to be red something in here. It'll be negative 6 and hit OK. So let's check. Okay, and we'll add them together. Control E to add them together. Okay, and I'm going to put this one to top here. Okay, and change this one to black and white. Okay, so down like this and hit OK and change this one to something like this and reduce it. Okay, then choose eraser tool. Okay, and step it like this. Okay, so cool. So this one is so best. So that's how I used to just do it all the time. Then we'll add them together. Okay, and duplicate it again and turn this one to black and white like this, and move to filter option A, sorry, other, and high pass, and reduce this one a little bit. Hit OK and change it to the light. Okay, and reduce this one, something cool like this. Before and after, before and after, and clean this side. A little hard. Okay, that's it. Then you add them together again and Control J again, and use this one to max it like this, and move to filter and move to blur gallery and change this to this one. Okay, so I'm going to blend the side and to make it blend. So this is how you're gonna do it all the time. So let me just push this one, okay, and reduce it. Okay, so this is how you're gonna do it all the time, so don't forget. So let me just make it like this and hit OK. Stop it again. So that's it. Okay, so guys, subscribe to my page and I'm gonna drop more videos, and see you for the next video. Bye.